it's very good. You'll notice the camera just moves slightly. We're using a DJI Osmo with gimbal, and it just tries to smooth out everything for you. So occasionally when we go around corners, it just changes the angle and then smooths out the footage. So it keeps everything nice and smooth. It's a very good camera actually. And on this one, it's the Osmo Plus, so it's got telephoto, and we can do wide angle actually. So we can try that and just see if it pulls the angle out slightly. I think we're already on the widest angle it does. Yeah, we could upset Anne and zoom in on her face.
No, don't do that.
Yeah,
I'm going to put everyone off.
Yeah, it's a good camera, and very good for this sort of thing where you're working with cars. If you mount them, if it's not raining, you mount them on the outside, and you can get all sorts of little adapters for them. And we've even got like the stabilisation Z-axis for it, so it takes out all the bumps. But we found on cars it's generally better just to mount them solidly, because otherwise it feels like the car shock absorbers have gone, because the camera stabilises everything but the car is still moving up and down, whereas if your camera moves up and down with the car and just the gimbal stabilises, you get a better footage. So yeah, it's a good camera. Connects to your phone very easily. Just set it up on Wi-Fi, and then on this bit of video now we're just doing the microphone using the camera, using the phone rather for the microphone, and the camera for the film part of it.